CryptoSlo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSlo with more crypto gains. Tonight's video is all about mining resources in Evolution Land and how do I get started extracting gold, soil, or whatever out of your land. Well, first and foremost, and this is a little confusing, you have to know that all of the apostles have the ability to work. The level and efficiency that they do that work is different. So let's have a look at my apostles. So I had just picked up this guy today, and when I click on him you can see that it says level 1 fire, gold 0, soil 0, water 0. Okay, just because it says that the level of, like, let's for say my gold, just because the gold says it's level 0 does not mean that I cannot put this guy to work mining gold. And honestly, gold really is one of the first resources that you need to get a hold of, because when you breed your apostles or you date your apostles, you have to have gold to level up your offspring. So gold initially is one of the top resources that you need to get your paws on. So basically Marty Spears, he has a 0 gold level, but I am going to put him to work and blah blah blah. Okay, and I am going to select a property, and there's 3 gold, and I am going to put him to work pulling down some gold. So that's all there is to it. You take your apostle and you can put them to work mining resources. Now this, I tell you what, this has been a little frustrating. The refresh on this thing is pretty horrible. Like sometimes after you do something you have to confirm, you have to refresh it 3 or 4 times to get it to show. So let me click on one of my other apostles and I'll show you. It's showing that he is mining at 0.6 gold every day. So once again, here's another one of the apostles. He has a level 0 gold and I'm still able to mine gold with it. So don't get so caught up on certain levels when you're first starting out in Evolution Land, because ultimately you have to get your hands on some gold so that you can level up your offspring. Otherwise you're going to pay a lot on the apostle block to get leveled up apostles. So just to give you an idea, let's do high to low. I'll show you this, and this actually was a little strange to me. This guy wants 12 million ring for this fetus. Well, if you click on this fetus you'll see that it has level 3 everything, which is a little suspicious because I don't understand how it's possible that a Gen 0 could have such a high level. And this is actually like $28,000 in Tron, so that's pretty crazy. It shows you how much a leveled up apostle would be, but I would think it would take 4 or 5 generations of offspring to level up to this level. So I'm not really sure how this guy got this level. But anyways, back to the apostle block. And as you can see, there's different, like here's a 3rd gen. Let's go to high to low again. Okay. So the ladies are definitely commanding a better price, but like here's a level 0 everything, this girl. In my opinion, it's good to have at least 1 level 0 apostle. After that you're just kind of overpaying because she really doesn't have any levels on anything. So I've got like I said, I've got 1 or 2 of these girls. I'm not really going to seek any more of these when they have such horrible levels, because I think it's way overpriced. Now, if you're wanting to own a Gen 0, you know, person, that's one thing. Like this is Gen 3, and they're wanting 12,000 ring for it. Yeah, that's just that's crazy prices. I wouldn't pay that. But anyways, that is how you put your apostles to work. Don't get caught up on the level of their resource management, because you can make anybody mine gold. They just won't do it as fast as others. But just starting out, the goal is to get some gold in your hands so that you can level up your offspring. This is CryptoSlo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.